Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share my journey with you with TestoPrime, and I'm going to tell you how I activate more energy and stamina and how it helps to lose 55 pounds in just 3 months. And in this video I will share some of my results as well. Many of you are struggling to lose weight, want to increase sex drive, and want to activate more energy and stamina, and also want to get rid of stress. And for me, it takes years to shed just 10 to 15 pounds. I understand this because for years I myself tried so many products, spent a lot of money, and the results were never satisfying. But finally I came across TestoPrime, and I kid you not, this was the best supplement I have ever used. I started to feel the results within literally just 1 month. Now, make sure you stay till the end, because I'm going to be sharing a lot of insights about this supplement. I'm going to walk you guys through 3 things: my experience, the transformation of TestoPrime, the good and bad sides of the supplement, and most importantly, how you can get a genuine TestoPrime supplement. I'm also going to put the link to TestoPrime official website in the description, so you don't have to go out and look for it. And this is the link where you're also going to get the biggest discount, so please make sure you check it out. Starting with my experience, I have nothing but good things to say about this product, because it helped me to increase hormone levels along with extra energy and stamina, and especially to lose weight that I had been trying to lose for many years. When I first started using weight loss supplements, and a kind of supplement which helps me to increase my stamina and energy, it was around a year ago. My work routine was really busy, and I just wasn't able to find the time to work out with 4 levels of stress. I searched the web for a more simple solution without having to compromise on my work and my time. So that's how I basically got into the world of supplements. The worst side of using supplements was to find the right product, which in my case took more than a year. One of the reasons for making this video is to educate you guys, so you don't waste your money and time on trying different products that never live up to the hype. Around 4 months ago, I found TestoPrime, and I should say I came across this accidentally. I was looking to purchase another supplement of my old supplement, another supply, of my old supplement, which, to be very honest, after trying TestoPrime, was not worth it at all. But like I said, I was looking to purchase my old supplement, and I found an ad for TestoPrime. And at first I really didn't bat an eye, but then I found it on another website, and I just made an impulsive decision to get it. I have to say that the claims made on that website were very astonishing. Plus the price was affordable. And like I said, I decided to buy some for myself and try it. Right before I was going to pay for it, I decided to go look for some reviews. And what I found on the internet made one thing very clear. It was a new product, and most of the people who were using it had really good things to say about it. I tried YouTube and Facebook to try to find something concrete before I jumped in, and I found some reviews there as well. Some people even talked about other benefits of it, like improved stress and good health as well. Coming back to the point, I hopped back onto the website and finally placed my order. I placed 2 orders for a 3-month supply. One was for me, and then another one was for my brother as well. I received the package after about 4 to 5 days of waiting. Now let's talk about the results I got after using it. I was able to see some visible results after using it for just about 6 weeks. I lost around 15 pounds while being completely healthy and physically fit. Unfortunately, I did skip my pill for 1 week after my 6th week. And because I didn't complete my 3-month course, I ended up gaining 3 pounds again in just like 1 week. And by this time, One thing was really clear to me, and that's that it worked. It's just that this time I had to be more consistent and actually complete the course. And the image you guys see on the screen is an image of me when I was about 198 pounds. And the one you see on the screen right now is me at 145 pounds. So yes, the program works and does take just a few minutes a day to follow. But I would advise that you should give the program time and devotion, because most people expect it to work like magic. It does work quite alright. You guys saw my before and after pictures. So yes, it works, but you have to be patient and not expect fast results. It took me about 6 weeks of following this before I started seeing very significant and obvious results. Now that I have told you about my transformation, let's discuss the pros and cons of this product. Everything has to have those, right? The pros and cons are based on users that have been using TestoPrime, including myself. So let's take a look at the cons first. It does take time. Like I mentioned, it took me about 6 weeks, which is 42 days roughly, which is like 1.5 months to lose the first 15 pounds. And I saw no change for the first 20 days. Those of you who are using TestoPrime are familiar with this, but the people who are new to this, they might not like it so much. The fact that you have to wait a little bit, you know? Another one is consistency. This is the key here. And if you are not following the instructions and not taking your pills daily, 4 capsules every morning before breakfast, the results you get will not be the same. And one more thing, people might not like that the dosage is 4 capsules a day in the morning. I think it's pretty normal, but it is harder than it sounds, because you have to consistently take 4 capsules a day for 3 months without missing once. Trust me, it needs a lot of dedication. These are pretty much all the cons that I could come up with. So let's go ahead and talk about the pros of the TestoPrime supplement. First, which is very rare these days, is the use of all natural ingredients. TestoPrime is made of 100% all natural ingredients, which are completely safe. It doesn't contain any artificial detox chemicals, and I'm really happy to know that I'm not consuming a chemical with a composition that I can't even understand. No side effects on my body is a big relief, and being someone who has used it and seen results, I can tell you that there are no side effects from its use. The second pro, in my opinion, is the lack of laxatives, which in most cases is a chemical compound that's found in almost all weight loss products in order to stimulate weight loss. The fact is, though, that TestoPrime supplement does not contain any laxatives, which, you know, can actually be harmful to your body, and its long-term effects are yet discovered. The third thing would be the 100% money-back guarantee, which I find very assuring, that, you know, if I don't get results, I can just claim my money back and get a refund. But make sure that you use it for the prescribed amount of time before you jump to any conclusions. Now, this leads me to my final point. They don't claim any unreal or outlandish results at all. They are very real about the product. Using TestoPrime to the suggested amount and time daily provides, you know, great results. But it's not like you see on other products on the market that after using for just, you know, 1 month, you can lose 30 or 40 pounds, which is, in my opinion, a false claim if you're using 100% natural products. So please be aware of those hard to believe offers out there. TestoPrime takes 3 months and it works, and that's all that matters. I have put a link to their official website in the description, so you don't have to go look for it. And this is the link with the biggest discount, so make sure you check it out. That's it, guys. I hope this review is going to help you, make an informed decision. Make sure you like this video and comment on your experience so more people can benefit from your remarks. And thanks again for watching.